In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank in Gusto. By the end, you'll have your company's bank account securely connected so you can handle payroll and billing without interruptions. To follow along, make sure you're signed in to your Gusto admin account in a desktop browser, and that you have access to the bank you want to connect. Start on your Gusto dashboard. Look to the left sidebar and head all the way to the bottom. Click your company name in the lower left corner. This opens the company menu where you can reach global settings for your organization. If you manage more than one company, confirm you're in the correct profile before moving on. From the menu, open Plan and Billing. This takes you to the area where Gusto keeps subscription details, invoices, and payment methods. Adding a bank account here ensures Gusto can charge your plan fees and also enables seamless payroll funding and tax payments. Think of this page as your financial control center within Gusto. Next, choose Add Bank Account. You'll see Gusto prompt you to connect a bank. It helps to have your bank's login credentials ready and to know which specific checking account you plan to use for payroll and billing. For the smoothest experience, make sure the business name on your bank account matches the legal name you've set in Gusto. Small mismatches can cause connection errors. When prompted, click Verify with Plaid. Plaid is a trusted, secure service that links your bank to Gusto without sharing your credentials directly with Gusto. A window will appear asking you to select your bank. Pick your institution, sign in using your usual online banking credentials, and complete any two-factor authentication your bank requires. Keep your phone nearby if your bank sends verification codes. After you're in, select the correct business checking account you want to use, review the permissions, and confirm to finish the connection. In most cases, verification completes within moments, and you'll be returned to Gusto automatically. Back in Gusto, you should now see the newly added bank account listed in your billing section with the last few digits displayed for confirmation. If anything looks off, refresh the page and confirm you selected the correct account during the Plaid flow. That's it. You clicked your company name, opened Plan and Billing, selected Add Bank Account, and verified with Plaid. With your bank connected, you're ready to fund payroll and keep your billing up to date. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you complete these steps.